IT On-Ramp is a full-day, 2-week experience designed to expose students to a variety of computing topics in a fun and safe environment.
I would recommend IT On-Ramp to my friends because it's like a good experience to like learn how to code and make new friends at the same time and have fun. This is a fun program.
So at the beginning, they kind of got stuck on the coding aspect of it, and the goal is to get productive struggle. So when you struggle, it is okay, and as you keep on going, you will eventually get it.
So in IT On-Ramp, I started with Twine. We created a maze that we played around with it a little bit, and we got really creative with it. But me personally, it was a good experience for me because it created a lot of inspiration and creativity in what I'm doing.
During the 70-hour program, students get hands-on with app and game development, web design, and cybersecurity.
I built like a website. I built an app for the phone, and I've messed around with some cybersecurity stuff like that.
I like coding because you can like put things together and see how they work, and you can make a game for everybody to enjoy.
My favorite part about IT On-Ramp so far is making the final project, because like we get a lot of freedom. Like we get to come up with the whole idea and like make all the mechanics ourselves, and like we make all the sprites and stuff. So it's just like a lot of freedom, and it's really fun.
IT On-Ramp gives students a deeper awareness of technology careers and prepares them for success in technology pathway programs in high school and beyond.
I'm working on a superhero game. We use MakeCode Arcade.
I feel like it's a wonderful place for girls, and I just think it's really cool to see that there's more girls coming into the programming industry and doing all these amazing things.
At the conclusion of the program, students present their final projects to family and friends.